What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today I'm going to show you 4 apps that will pay you for free. You're not going to make any investment before you start making money with these 4 applications that I'm going to show you. The good news about this app is that you can download these apps on your phone. Even though you don't have a PC but you have a smartphone, okay, you can download this app on your phone. Just go to Play Store and download it. Alright, this website, these applications is going to pay you 1,000 naira. It's going to be paying you cool 1k when you register with them. Alright, if you're new to my channel, maybe you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe by hitting on the subscribe button below. Most important, smash on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, so I'm going to show you 4 apps that will pay you when you register with them. Without wasting time now, let me go to my screen to show you these 4 particular apps that will pay you when you register with them. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back. Like I said, I will show you 4 apps that will pay you when you register with them. You're not going to pay anything, no investment unless you want to invest. But this app will allow you to save money, invest, and also earn money at the same time. But if you don't want to invest, you can still be earning. Alright, the number 1 app I'm going to show you here is called PiggyVest. Alright, this PiggyVest is a platform where you can invest, you save, and you earn. Alright, but if you don't want to invest, you can still be earning. Okay, now how can you earn on this platform for free? When you register an account with them, you can use your referral link and be earning. When you register with these guys and you refer one person, these guys will pay you cool 1,000 naira, and they will also pay the person you referred to them. They will also pay that person 1,000 naira. So it's now a win-win. Alright, so make sure you use the link below the description of this video to register your account so that you get your own 1,000 naira. Alright, now the second app I'm going to show you is this one here, FairMoney. Alright, when you hear FairMoney, what do you think these guys are all about? What do you think this thing is all about? Alright, this FairMoney is a loan app. You can get loan from these guys. This is a legit app that you can get loan from. Alright, and you can also make money as an affiliate on these guys. These guys will also pay you when you refer someone to them. That is the good thing about this. If you don't want to take any loan, you can also be making money by referring people to these guys. Alright, so the third guys I'm going to show you here, it is called Wema Bank. Okay, Wema Bank, the alert. Alright, so these guys will also pay you when you register with them. Then you refer your friend, anyone you refer to these guys, they will also pay you. Alright, and the registration is totally free. It's totally free. Alright, it's totally free. So use the link below the description of this video to register your own account so that you start making money. You're not going to pay anything to register on this platform. Alright, now the fourth one is called Cheaper Cash. So when you hear Cheaper Cash, these guys will also pay you. Right, this guy will allow you to save money. You send money, you receive money. Alright, and you can also earn when you refer someone to these guys. That is the good thing about these platforms I'm talking about. They have a referral program where you can refer anyone and still be earning. If you don't want to invest your money on these platforms, you can use your referral link and be making money for yourself. Imagine you refer 10 persons that is cool, 10,000, because they will pay you 1,000 naira. If you refer 10 persons, that is cool money, 10,000 naira. All right. And if you refer 20 persons, that is cool, 20,000. You see how good these guys are. All right. So make sure you use the link below description of this video to get yourself registered on these guys. The registration is totally free. All right. Sorry that this Super Cash, you can't register on their platform, but you can download their mobile app. If you have a smartphone, you download their mobile app on your phone, then you register through their mobile app. All right. Why this PiggyVest here? You can create an account on their website, like you see, sign in, create free account. You can also download their mobile app from Google Play Store. All right. For example, let me show you how to sign in. If you have an account, just go to create an account, but let me log into my own account to show you how to get your referral link so that you start referring. All right. Kindly go to account. Okay, now you can see refer and 1,000 for these guys. So when you click here, you see this is copy your referral message and link. So you copy your referral link and share to your loved ones. You see here, and 1,000 per referral. So when you refer one person, you get 1,000 naira bonus instantly as your friend sign up on PiggyVest. When your friends sign up on PiggyVest using your referral link, you will get instant 1,000 naira. All right. If you like this video, kindly give me a thumbs up and don't forget to smash to the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. But please make sure you subscribe to this channel, because when you subscribe, then turn on the bell icon, you'll be getting notifications anytime I release a new video. Because what I do on this channel is that I'll go out there, try things out. When they work for me, I come right here to show you exactly what I have done, which means that if you follow my step-by-step process, you get the exact same result I got. So that is why you need to subscribe to my channel. All right, then turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. If you have any question, the comment box is open. Drop your question there. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next tutorial. Goodbye.